Hi guys, so I have another, okay, it's been a while since Valentine's Day. It just means that I'm not as popular or I'm not buying as much stuff as I would like to. So take your pick. Speaking of picks, I have my beautiful pick right here and I'm going to use it to open this package, which was sent to me by a friend. And I'm not going to say who they are, though, because I told them I would. So, I actually received this yesterday, but it was too dark, so I didn't want to record myself opening it. I actually think it's a little dark now. I probably should have done this earlier. That's okay. What would it be? A cute letter. I will get to that. But first, now let's do the letter. Warm thoughts like lovely flowers lighten the heart and brighten the hours. Taking a moment to keep in touch because you're thought about oh so much. I saw this and immediately thought of you and your passion for sewing and the things related. So happy to see you back in YC at your parents' church. Then there's a name. To let God use you for His glory. Love. With love. Ta-da! Look at this, 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 look at this. Look at this. It's just a little bit of tape. Ho 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 ho. Oh, so cute. And it plays music. See here, the little needle goes up and down, and so does the pedal. And the spool spins. And it has scissors and a pattern. This is so cute. I love it. Thank you so much, my dear friends. I can't wait till you come visit so we can catch up. But thank you so much. I love it. I really do. Well, that's all for this week. I'll see you later.